How to use Grammarly app for Mac. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Grammarly, create an account, and how to use it. Grammarly has a free version and a paid version, so you can choose what you want. How to install Grammarly app on MacBook. We can go to Safari or any preferred browser. In the search box, we can write Grammarly. Enter into the site grammarly.com. Go to the bottom of the page. Here is a link, Grammarly Desktop App. Click it. Click Download Grammarly. After the download is done, we can close the browser. Now, click on the download icon. On the list, click on grammarly.dmg. Now drag and drop the Grammarly app to Applications. The app has been installed. Let's click on the Launchpad. Now click on Grammarly. Because this app is downloaded from the internet and not the App Store, you will need to allow it to be opened. Click on Open. On this window, tap Sign In. You will need to log in with your Grammarly account or create a new one. You can use Facebook, Google, and Apple to sign in on Grammarly. Also, you can write your email here to log in or create an account. Let me use Continue with Google, but you can use whatever option you wish. Select the account you wish to log in. Now click Open Grammarly. You have signed in into your account on Desktop app for Grammarly. Before you use the app, let's check the settings a bit. Click on Account from the left menu. We have different options like Account Settings, Customize, Subscription, Security, and Style Guide. Let's look a bit at every option. On Account option, you can see the name and the email of your account. Also, you can delete your account. Let's click now on Customize. Here, you can add a personalized dictionary, so you can add here whatever word you use and it's not added into the English dictionary. Also, you have here the option to change the language preference. You can use Canadian English or Australian English, depending on your zone where you live. On the Subscription tab, we have the option to upgrade the account to a premium subscription. This will give you some new options that would help you write better. I would suggest that you use the free plan and if you like the service to upgrade to a premium one. On security, because we have logged with Google, we will not have the two-factor authentication. You could enable this if you created an account with your email. On Style Guide, you can get Grammarly for your business. Now, because we saw all the settings, let's try to use the system a bit. Click on Back to Grammarly. For you to use the Grammarly desktop app on Mac, click on New to start a document. If you already have a Word file, you can also click on Import. In this document, write your title. Let's copy a text from the internet to see what suggestions Grammarly gives us. I'm going to copy the text to Grammarly now. When I paste this, I get this pop-up. This is very important as we can select the style of the text. Also, we can set up some options for the audience. If our audience does not know much about the topic, we can set up it as general. If our readers are experts or people who know the subject, we can select the other options. Also, we need to set up the formality, domain, and the tone. After we have figured that out, click on Done. Now Grammarly will check our text. You will see the text is correct. Let's make some intentional mistakes. You see how some words are red. That means they are wrong, and Grammarly found it incorrect. If you click on it, you will get the suggestion for a correct word in the right part. You will also get some explications for that error. Tap on that suggestion and the word will be replaced. This is quite easy and is very intuitive. You do not need to be a master of the computer to use this app. I suggest you use it on your Mac, as this app has quite a lot of advantages even on a free plan. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.